I want to show you these super cool heavy duty car mats I just got from my Dodge Ram 2500 2021 truck. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending them to me so we can do a quick unboxing and install and show you how they work and fit. Here we go. Today we are unboxing a set of car floor mats for my Ram 2021 truck. So let's see. That's what we got. Okay, there's the left one. Goes on the driver's side. It looks like it's got the proper holes to hit on the factory installed spots. Some paperwork here that's flying away. A little bit of the owner's manual, a little bit of information about the warranty. That. This is a nice big piece. Wow, it goes in the back. We'll get my truck out here in a second to show you, but at first impression, this is nice, thick, heavy-duty rubber. I'm going to be excited about these. Okay, I just test fitted that. But anyway, I took out the dirty, worn, thin car mats, and I slide this in. And I did notice this one is a bit longer than the other one, but it has perfectly fitting tabs just like the factory ones fit in there. There's factory tabs in it. And it looks like they fit right in there. Look good. Let's put the other ones in. Alright, kind of the same process. Slide that right on in, lock it in place. Fits nice and snug. It's heavy duty rubber too. Alright, here we go. We're going to put the rear ones in. Let's see how they fit. The factory ones were split in the middle. This all just seems to be one piece. And obviously goes in the front end first to make that easier. Looks like it's going to line up. And oh yeah, that's awesome. Fits in there good. Look at that. And I even was able to slide it underneath that. Alright, they fit right in there, snug as a bug. It's really cold out here today too, so once these get warmed up in the summer, or get the heat on them, I think they'll mold right into place, but what a perfect fit. Alright, well, they look good. They went right in there for me. I want to thank the manufacturer for sending them to me so we can do an unbox and install, and they're going to work great. And this is a Crew Cab 2021 Ram 2500.